Energy-efficient and greenhouse plans are a category of residential architectural designs that prioritize sustainability, energy conservation, and environmental responsibility. These plans are designed to minimize the impact on the environment and reduce energy consumption while providing a healthy and comfortable living environment. Here's a comprehensive overview of the key features and characteristics of energy-efficient and greenhouse plans. Passive solar design. Energy-efficient homes often incorporate passive solar design principles, which optimize the home's orientation, window placement, and thermal mass to harness natural sunlight for heating during the winter and shading during the summer. High-performance insulation. Green homes utilize advanced insulation materials and techniques to reduce heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. This results in improved comfort and lower energy bills. Energy-efficient appliances. Greenhouse plans often specify the use of Energy Star-rated appliances and fixtures, which are designed to consume less electricity, gas, or water compared to standard models. Solar panels. Many green homes are equipped with photovoltaic solar panels to generate electricity from renewable sources. Excess energy can be stored or sold back to the grid, further reducing the carbon footprint. Energy-efficient HVAC systems. These homes incorporate high-efficiency heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems, often with zone control, programmable thermostats, and heat recovery systems to maximize energy conservation. Thermal windows and doors. Green home plans include energy-efficient windows and doors, which are well sealed and equipped with low emissivity, low E, coatings to minimize heat transfer. Proper ventilation. Green homes focus on indoor air quality with effective ventilation systems, such as heat recovery ventilators, HRVs, or energy recovery ventilators, ERVs, which ensure fresh air while retaining heating or cooling energy. Water conservation. These homes incorporate low-flow fixtures, dual-flush toilets, rainwater harvesting systems, and greywater recycling to minimize water consumption. Sustainable building materials. Green homes use eco-friendly, sustainable, and non-toxic building materials, including recycled content, reclaimed wood, bamboo flooring, and low VOC paints to reduce environmental impact and improve indoor air quality.